Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in the Subaru Tribeca 2007 model. And this car come with the normal factory LCD on the top here, and at this moment the whole system is the new 7-inch touchscreen full package including wireless Apple Carplay and wireless Android Auto, and the new system integrate into the car very nice. And also we fit the Full HD anti-glare and super night vision reverse camera into the new system. So at this moment the camera is super detailed, super clear in the daytime, and very clear in the night time. So far, way far better than the factory camera. And also we fit into the different location that which is better for the right hand side drive Tribeca in Australia. So you can see that the factory camera is here on far on the right, and the new camera is here, you know, far on the left side a bit more. So the center point is here, so the camera is here, and the factory camera is here. So you can see that it's very different, and the new camera is fully adjustable and much higher resolution because it's Full HD. It is much better in terms of the anti-glare, and also it is much better because it is super night vision. So on the screen you see here is the wireless Android Auto is running, which we use our Android phone recording this one. And from here you can touch the function and software to run the thing, and you can touch the music and running, and you definitely can hear that the music is running. And what I'm doing is I'm controlling from here, and also I can control from here. Okay, so if I mute, it's mute. If I unmute, it come back. So yeah, that's the thing. And it looks definitely just like the factory one before. However, it is totally new system, totally new, with all the thing inside, with the Wi-Fi, internet, wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, you know, built in a lot of storage. And yeah, it is with the camera, Full HD camera. So let me give it okay, so here the camera, you can see how clear, how sharp, how detailed it is. And in the night it will also show up much better performance as well. So yep, if you pull the gear